So guys, we are inside and we're gonna wash this. Mama is already here. We also wash it because we're gonna cook. So, maglabog ta ani guys. Labog tag basura. It's very sunny. It's a good weather. Diri ra po ni nato siya ilabog. Oh. Diri ra po nato ni siya ilabog. So, we're gonna leave that. And so we're gonna go inside and cook the corn. So guys, here is all the onions and and mais. We have 4. So our onions. See that? Fresh from the farm. So we're gonna cook it. So guys, we are cooking our mais. Buling. Kabuang snake. Oh, maghugas tag plato. Maghugas ta guys. So guys, nag-ilis, nagtabon jud ko og kanang ingon ani kay tugnaw man uy. As in tugnaw siya. So, here is our corn. Almost done. Oh, sarap. Kapit na ta magkaon. I'm gonna put butter and salt as usual. So, guys. So, I would like to say thank you everyone for watching my live. And thank you also my channel members. The new one today. Deli Mavi. Thank you, Deli Mavi. And yesterday, Ofok. They are all, I think, from Turkey. Thank you for supporting my channel. My old members, everybody, all my channel members, thank you very much. And I think next week, no, after 20th of September, I will be vlogging from the Philippines, guys. I will see my children and grandson soon. So, thank you and see you in my next vlog.